The Peachtree Business Status Center that you see here is your window to knowing the state of your business at all times. From it, you can see the status of your company, your receivables, payables, employees, inventory, and banking. In addition, each page offers you links for quickly performing tasks in Peachtree, such as entering payments, searching for and viewing reports, and navigating throughout the program. From the toolbar that's found throughout Peachtree's navigation centers, you can change your accounting period, change the current Peachtree system date, print the displayed page, refresh information, hide information, and set the currently displayed page as your default. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of shortcuts to common tasks. If you want to customize this list of shortcuts, click the Customize link and use the window to select different shortcuts. You can add, rename, and delete shortcuts. In addition, you can change the order in which they appear. You can use these shortcuts to provide quick access to those areas of Peachtree that you use most often. The navigation centers, which are listed as tabs on the left side of the screen, are access points to features and windows throughout Peachtree. Select a topic to view the associated menus, lists, and information. An alternative means of navigation is to use the menu bar at the top of the main Peachtree window. The online help system in Peachtree can be accessed by pressing the F1 key, clicking the Help button, or using the Help menu. Click the Contents tab to navigate Peachtree Help by the major topics. Click the Index tab to look up a topic by a specific term. Or click the Search tab to search for topics by specific words and phrases. Enclose your phrase in quotes if you want to search for that exact phrase.